want to talk a little bit today about pillar construction and hanging the fascia panels against the backers. Oftentimes what we've got are problems on the correct dimensions here for spacing from one course to the next. So one of the nice techniques that we do is when we hang the panel on the corner as a dry run, what we're going to identify is the lippage that we have, the difference between the top of that fascia panel and that backer. So here we've cut up some of the shims just off of the strapping on the bundle, right? Cut some of those up. Here we're going to lay those shims across the top of the fascia panel. So there's 1, 2, 3 of them, gets us flush to the top of that backer on this end. Over on the opposite end, we're only at 1 off. Oftentimes we're flush right on and we don't have to do any of this, but when we see the lippage going on and the difference between the top of the backer and the top of the fascia panel, then we want to identify that here. So we'll remove that panel once we know what that lippage is. Now on top of the SureTrack rail and clips, we're going to lay these panels. So we're going to identify the angle to it, lay up a little glue adhesive on our corner panel, rehang that panel. Right on, okay? Nice easy way to get the fascia panels all correctly aligned in with the backers.